How much do tractor tires weigh? A complete guide. When it comes to agricultural machinery, understanding the weight of tractor tires is essential for farmers and operators alike. Tractor tires play a crucial role in the overall performance and efficiency of the machinery, impacting everything from fuel consumption to load capacity. This comprehensive guide will explore the various factors affecting tractor tire weight and provide typical weight ranges for different types of tires. Typical weight ranges for tractor tires. The weight of tractor tires can vary significantly based on their size, design, and intended use. Below are some general weight categories for different types of tractor tires. 1. Front tires. Front tractor tires typically range from 100 to 300 pounds, 45 to 136 kilograms. These tires are generally smaller and lighter than rear tires, as they support less weight and provide steering control. Common sizes for front tires include 6.00 to 12, 7.50 to 16.2. Rear tires. Rear tractor tires are larger and designed to bear more weight, with weights ranging from 300 to 1,200 pounds, 136 to 544 kilograms. The size and weight of rear tires can significantly affect traction and stability. Common sizes include 12.4 to 28, 18.4 to 38.3. Utility and compact tractor tires. These tires usually weigh between 150 to 500 pounds, 68 to 227 kilograms depending on their size and construction. They are often used in lighter agricultural applications and landscaping. 4. Specialized tires. Some tractors use specialized tires for specific applications, like vineyard or orchard tractors. These tires can weigh similarly to standard tires but may vary based on their design and tread pattern. Factors affecting tractor tire weight. Understanding the weight of tractor tires involves considering several key factors. 1. Tire size. The size of the tire, both its diameter and width, significantly influences its weight. Larger tires generally weigh more because they require more material for construction. 2. Tread design. The tread pattern and depth can impact weight. Tires with deeper treads or more aggressive patterns tend to be heavier, as they require additional rubber and material for structural integrity. 3. Construction type. Tractor tires can be either bias ply or radial, bias ply tires. These tires have multiple layers of fabric, making them heavier but also providing durability and flexibility. Radial tires, generally lighter than bias ply. Radial tires offer better fuel efficiency and handling due to their design. 4. Material composition. The materials used in tire construction, such as the type of rubber and any steel reinforcement, will also affect the overall weight. Heavier duty tires designed for increased durability usually weigh more. 5. Intended use. The specific application of the tractor can dictate the type and weight of the tires needed. For example, tires designed for heavy-duty agricultural tasks will be heavier than those designed for light-duty or utility applications. Why tire weight matters. Understanding the weight of tractor tires is crucial for several reasons. Load capacity. Knowing the weight helps ensure that the tractor can safely handle the loads it is designed for, preventing accidents or mechanical failures. Fuel efficiency. Tire weight can impact fuel consumption. Lighter tires may improve efficiency, especially during transport, while heavier tires may increase rolling resistance. Performance and handling. The weight of the tires affects traction, stability, and overall handling of the tractor. Properly matched tires to the tractor's intended use enhance performance. Conclusion. In summary, the weight of tractor tires can vary widely depending on their type, size, and intended use. From front tires weighing around 100 to 300 pounds to rear tires that can weigh up to 1,200 pounds, Understanding these differences is crucial for efficient agricultural operations. Selecting the right tires for your specific tractor model will ensure optimal performance and safety on the job. Business information, business name, Jordy's Tire Shop. Address 1-501 Midway Road, Carrollton, Texas 75006. Phone 1-469-778-1293. Address 2-341 West Mockingbird Lane, Dallas, Texas 75247. Phone 2-469-245-4587. Email, info@jordystiresshop.com. Owner, Jordy Rodriguez. Hashtags, Jordy's Tire Shop Automotive Tire Review. Source, https, jordystiresshop.com. How much do tractor tires weigh? Website, https, jordystiresshop.com. Facebook, https, www.facebook.com/jordytireshop1000544058244017. Twitter, https, twitter.com Jordy's Tire Shop. Instagram, https, www.instagram.com Jordy's Tire Shop. Pinterest, https, www.pinterest.com Jordy's Tire Shop. YouTube, https, www.youtube.com channel Ukyahakenes 8hmij_TNLW. LinkedIn, https, www.linkedin.com Company Jordy's Tire Shop.